The major problem of Nigeria is northern part of the country. Northern Nigeria are the major problem of Nigeria. If you want to see conflict, northern Nigeria. Rape, northern Nigeria. Refugees, northern Nigeria. Thieves, in fact, if you want to see thieves stealing on an industrial scale, come to northern Nigeria. Thieves fully engaged in primitive accumulation, come to northern Nigeria. In fact, I am from northern Nigeria. I am proud to be an indigenous of Borno State. I am from Borno State. I am proud to be an indigenous of Borno State, from the northern part of the country. But I want to tell you that the major problem of this country is northern part of the country. These are people.
Ìfáàrà lélẹ́yìí ẹ̀ tí gbọ́n kankan. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wá wo fídíò yìí. Torí pé bọ́ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bá a ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ní yàjóyàjó nígbóná ìhòòrò. Ìjọba Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tí ń pète pèrò múra lọ́wọ́ tó sì ti ṣe tán pé láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà a máa pín orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ni. Ẹ wo bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá wa Professor Banji Akintoye tó ń paláriwo pé ìjọba tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí ipa yín ọ̀ka orílẹ̀-èdè yìí tó lè Sunday Adéyẹmọ ń pariwo tí gbogbo àwa Yorùbá ń sọ pé rírọ́ o àfi dandan ká pín tí Ìgbò ń sọ wípé kò sóni méjì o táwọn tún fẹ́ sọ mọ́ ẹ̀pìn àwọn Fúlàní àwọn Haúsá àti bóde àwọn náà ní kò sọ́nà míì mọ́ níbi tá a bá dé yìí kálukú sì ní aṣojú wọn tí wọ́n ń lọ káàkiri tí wọ́n ń gbégbésẹ̀ lórí pé ẹ̀pìn ṣùgbọ́n tó fẹ́ dàbí pé ìjọba wa dákẹ́ wọ́n wòye pé Nàìjíríà ẹyọ kan ni. Ẹ má wàá gbàgbé pé àwọn tí wọ́n tún pè wá lẹ́yọ kan lónìí wọ́n ti sọ ṣáájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ti sọ ṣáájú pé orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kì í ṣẹyọ kan ṣùgbọ́n gbà wọ́n dépò òṣèlú wọ́n ti gbà pẹ́yọ kan ní. Àmọ́ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá à ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí èso ti pàdídà ó ti ń lé ajá. Ẹ máa bọ̀ ẹ wá wo àwọn fídíò tí mo kó wá yìí kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ wò ó kí lè àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ máa bá pàdé ń bẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ n kọ́kọ́ já yín díẹ̀díẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ lè bá a mọ̀ wípé ó ṣe dandan kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ wò ó. Má sọ pé o ti gbọ́ àbí orí ń bè kan fèrè rí ọ̀sẹ̀ ìjáde ni. Farabalẹ̀ kó o wò kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ni àkọ́kọ́ yìí kọ́kọ́ sọ kí n tó wọlé. Kínkínní nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ gbọ́ ìdí tí arákùnrin yìí fi ń sọ pé ilẹ̀ Haúsá ibẹ̀ ló lè pín sí tó sì dárúkọ àwọn èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan àwọn igi lẹ́yìn ọgbà tí wọ́n ń bẹ lẹ́yìn àwọn karambà ní ẹ̀dá yìí tí wọ́n ń bẹ lẹ́yìn àwọn Boko Haram àwọn kìnnìkan Haram. Ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ lárákùnrin yìí dárúkọ wọn lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan ìjèjì léyìí tó mú kí Bọ́lá àti ìpinnu wọn àrà tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu dá tó bá ṣàfara. Ẹ bá ti wá ń gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ wàá lọ gbọ́ ibi tí àwọn ọmọ Haúsá fúnra wọn náà tó ti jáde pẹ̀lú àwọn Fúlàní tí kálukúlùkù ń lẹ̀ka àbùkù síra wọn lójú tí wọ́n sì ń nà sí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tí wọ́n wá ń pariwo pé tó gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ pé pawọ́pọ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ọ̀ràn ẹjọ́ sí ẹ wá pín. Ìgbò náà kò ṣàìsọ tiẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìgbésẹ̀ tólúkúlùkù ń gbé. Ṣé ẹ wá rí àbẹ́ẹ̀rí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá wa Professor Banji Akintoye àtolóyè Sunday Igboho òòṣà ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní so èso báyìí. Èmi ń sọ fún yín pé tó ọdún tá a wà yìí lọ́dún 2025 tá a wà yìí kò sí ẹ̀fún lẹ́yìn àpò kò sọ́gbọ́n tẹ́nìkan fẹ́ dá sí àfi ká pín orílẹ̀-èdè yìí. Ohun kan tó ṣe gbòógì gbọ́dọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ́rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá tá a mọ̀ sí Yorùbá Nation lọ́dún yìí. Kìkì pókùn sọ́wọ́ èmi àti ẹ dákun bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ ẹ máa bá wa pín ètò yìí ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run ẹ kọ́ tiẹ̀ ẹ jù síbi tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ jù sí. Àyà ń ké ògún pè ń ké bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni agbọ́n sẹ́ oyin sẹ́ ojú olóko rèé kòǹdòkòǹdò yìí. Kálukú ń sọ yí pé báyìí lórí bá a ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ìjọba kí lẹ̀ ń pè é àwọn ajínigbé ajínipa wọ́n ti ń sá kò nílẹ̀ Haúsá lọ́hùn-ún wọ́n sá wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ sì ní adákẹ́ ká máa wò àwọn karambà ní sọ pé àwọn ti dẹni ìgbàlà, àwọn ti kó ọkọ́ àtàdá àtìbọn àwọn lẹ̀, wọ́n kó wọn dà sínú ọlọ́pàá sójà. Ìlú ibo ni wọ́n kó wọn bọ̀? Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni. Ẹ máa kọ sí comment section, Yorùbá nation la fẹ́ wo, Yorùbá nation ní kíákíá, ẹ bá wa pín. Eléyìí ló mú wàhálà àti ìdààmú kó fẹ́ wà láàrin Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu àti Buhari nínú ìpàdé tí wọ́n ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ti gbọ́. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe gbọ́ pé tó ìpàdé ń lọ, ṣe bí reform tax àbá a ṣe máa pín owó, òun ni wọ́n ń jà sí lọ́wọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó dàbí bá a ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ báyìí, ọ̀rọ̀ ti fẹ́ yí. Ọ̀rọ̀ bá a ṣe pín tá a pín lọ́kàn báyìí, ẹ máa rí gbogbo ẹ̀ wò nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ wò, ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lásìkò mọ́. Ẹ dákun tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tẹ́ ẹ máa wo fídíò wa, ẹ bá wa subscribe sí channel yìí nítorí Ọlọ́run. Àmọ́ tẹ́ ẹ bá ti ń wò tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ máa kọ síbẹ̀, ẹ máa like ẹ gbọ́wọ́lé share button kí YouTube lè recognize ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ pín ẹ jù síbi tó bá wù yín, tààràtà ní kọ́ lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kó yé gbogbo àwọn pé Niger middle belt àwọn náà ti dìde. A sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Haúsá, Igbo, Fulani, Yorùbá, middle belt. Ẹgbọ́ta ló tó kùn tá a tún dúró fún láti lè pín orílẹ̀-èdè, láti lè pín Nàìjíríà tó jẹ́ orílẹ̀ àwọn èdè ni. Ẹ wò, ẹ bá kọ sí comment section Yorùbá nation ní kíákíá. Olóyè Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho Òòṣà, bàbá wa Bánjí Akíntóyè, gbogbo ẹ̀yin akọni lójú ìjà, ọ̀rọ̀ yín ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní so èso báyìí. Pínpín ni o. Èmi a máa sọ pé oríkì àwọn ọlọ́fà wọn á ní pínre láàrin, nǹkan ò gbọ́dọ̀ jù kan, a máa pín ni. Ẹ wò, ẹ jẹ́ ń fohùn sí àwọn fídíò yìí, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ wò ó, kí wọ́n ní sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Ẹ bá ṣe tán ní parí, ó ṣeé ṣe kí n padà kí n wá mi gbólóhùn. Àmọ́ ẹ máa wò fídíò yìí rèé, mo ti tó tẹ̀léra wọn. Ọ̀yá, òun rèé.
The killings. And if you talk about them, you become their enemies. Yes, I'm their enemies. I already know I'm their. Even they don't need to tell me I'm their enemies, because these are people that on the daily basis. I'm in my state. I'm one of the vigilante in my state. Day and night we are working. I'm a vigilante in my state now. We are working to see that this evil act will stop. But then they will go in the night when people are talking about peace program. In the night they will go and attack a village. So the good people must know. Wake up. You know the West, the South, and the East must come together and fight this evil. These people, I can assure to you, they are powerless if we unite. They are powerless. Even in the North, they are good people. That's the message I would like to pass. But some few people that are doing evil, running the North with evil incantation, that is why you see the North is not achieving any impact, no any progress. They continue to leave the youth in the North in abject poverty. That's exactly what they are doing. But you must wake up. And I thank God, because Yoruba people, the way they live in peace as Yoruba Christian and Yoruba Muslim, they must continue like that. Let them not allow any negative vices that will come in the name of religion and make them to become enemies of one another. They achieve that in my state though. They make us to become enemies. But now our people are beginning to open their eyes. Even
even on Twitter, I've seen people that middle belt renaissance. They're now saying that we are the middle belt. We are no longer part of the northern people again. Doesn't mean that the middle belt are going to wake up like you said.
Of course, middle belt have to wake up, because with all what they had been doing to the middle belt, you know, we in the middle belt, I can assure to you, the way they have been killing our people is something that is not just good for us. It's not just good to hear. They are making us to become like we become like, you know, like people that have no house of their own. We have become like refugees. That's how they make our life. You know, because many villages, even my mother's village, they attack it. They kill people, all because they want to have the land.
And who may be sponsoring these people? That's the question.
I tell you, the bad people, and see, we must talk about them. They are governors that are sponsoring this thing. They are kings that are sponsoring this. And most of those people are from the far north. They are the ones their hand is doing. They will not give a better life to the people of the far north, but they will go and buy guns, you know, and give it to the Almajiris.
Okay, let's go to the Almajiris. I have 2 more minutes. The Almajiris, is it a right practice or it should be abolished?
Almajiri, as we all know, they are the one that wants people to continue marrying, to be given back to Almajiri. So if the government wants to stop Almajiri, the only thing that the government will do, you know, you don't need to go and marry when you are 17 years. You will see governors in Kanu, they are supporting, you know, a young man that is of 17 years to go and marry a person that has no concrete work to do. It has no even hand work to do. And he now have a wife. And how do you expect him to feed the wife? How do you expect him to live a life of expectation? How will he be able to send his children to school? So there is nothing like that. The children have to go and be going around and around begging. That's exactly what they will continue to do. And the people that are making them to do that thing, which they are using, like the Almajiri school, they build the Almajiri school for them. You know, it's just like they are telling them this thing is good, continue doing it. But it's a time that we need to know that Almajiri, not that they want to be Almajiri, it's the system. They want to collect power by all means. They use them in time of election. You know, democracy is the game of number, but they forgot that in Nigeria it is money. It is money. It is no more number. It is who is going to put you. We all know Tinubu put Buhari on power. Now they want to deny him. Even Buhari himself, they want to deny Tinubu. But Tinubu understand. He understood that man is money. So he gave Mahmoud a lot of cash. And Mahmoud, you think Mahmoud loved Tinubu? It's the money he loved. Mahmoud sell us to who? To Tinubu. And all the trouble we are having today is because of the cash you collected.
So finally, on that, we cannot succeed on that. That is an allegation. That's one side. Finally, we are placed in your place, not even in place. You want to see Sharia law in Yoruba. We are closing.
Sharia law is not going to be helpful. If they want Sharia law, maybe if Nigeria is split, then they should go with their Sharia law and everybody will have his own law. But as for now, as it is right now, I don't think for the people of Yoruba, Sharia law will be good for them because we have Christian, Muslim, and idol worshipper. So you see, it's not only the Muslim that are in the state. So Sharia law for me, if they want to do it, they can continue doing it in their states. They can do it in the far north, their state, which they like it and which they embrace it. But they should not bring it to the Yoruba people. Yoruba people, I love your spirit, so the way you...
Sultan of Sokoto have plan. They make ministry for Almajiri. They take a plan. They make ministry for Almajiri. They take a lot of money each month to continue to make Hausa children Almajiri. We don't like Almajiri. If you're not allowed your children to be Almajiri, maybe they can do something very bad. So please, Nigeria, you have to know what Hausa people going through in Fulani, in the Fulani religion. I'm not talking about Islam, because Fulani, they don't believe in Islam. They believe in Podianchi. Because we have system as a Muslim, Christian, and Jewish. Jewish people, they go to pray for the week, Saturday. Christian, Sunday. Muslim, Friday. And Fulani, they do it in Wednesday. They go to Podium. They pray like you Christian doing in the church or Muslim doing in the mosque. So please, Nigerian, don't allow Fulani. Don't allow Fulani to cause problem between you, your tribe, one tribe, to divide you to rule us. Because I can see in Yoruba land, I can see in Igbo land. Now they take Igbo man to put in central mosque. This guy in the future, he's going to fight his people. Now they cause problem between Yoruba Muslim and between Yoruba Christian. We know what Fulani going to do in the future. So Yoruba, Igbo, please, you have to learn for us. Our parents made a mistake. Now we pay for what our parents have done. Our parents did this because if they know we're going to going through this problem with the Fulani, they can't do Fulani as gypsy. They're looking for land. They use religion to divide you, to rule you. We have to say, BUHARI is the last president Fulani in this country. Even you're looking for land, Yoruba nation, Igbo nation, it's okay, but still, we are Nigerian. So if we want to live in peace in this country, we have to be unity to make Fulani to go away in this country. Fulani must go. Now that we, the Hausa people, enlighten our people, we don't allow Fulani to lead us anymore. We now fighting for our freedom. And I'm Muslim. But Fulani don't care about Islam. they use Islam to find what they want. They support, who is create Boko Haram? Fulani. I have evidence. Shekau, he say he fight because what Ampodio have done. He want people to become Muslim. If you want it, I can play for you. So, Nigeria, wake up.
Let me tell you the major problem of Nigeria. The major problem of Nigeria is northern part of the country. Northern Nigeria are the major problem of Nigeria. If you want to see conflict, northern Nigeria. Rape, northern Nigeria. Refugees, northern Nigeria. Thieves. In fact, if you want to see thieves stealing on an industrial scale, come to northern Nigeria. Thieves fully engaged in primitive accumulation, come to northern Nigeria. In fact, I am from northern Nigeria. I am proud to be an indigenous of Borno State. I am from Borno State. I am proud to be an indigenous of Borno State, from the northern part of the country. But I want to tell you that the major problem of this country is northern part of the country. These are people, if you want to see hatred, if you want to see conflict, if you want to see nepotism, cronyism, any other thing you can label. In fact, if you carve out southern part of the country from Nigeria and give it 10 years, they are going to be recognized among community of nations because of the development they will have. 70% of the people who govern this country are from the northern part of the country. But if you want to see hunger, starvation, and any other thing, it's from the north. Why? We are the major problem. But our people doesn't want us to be speaking the truth. And that is why we continue to somersault in this kind of issue.